Good morning to everyone. So today we are discussing find the stability by using Ruth table. For method 1 already discussed in last class. Today we are discussing method 2 and method 3. Okay. So first, what is method 2? So the method 2 is the first element in any row. So in the first method enti? So first method is in the first column all the elements is non-zero elements. So for example, s power 4, s power 3, s square, s power 1 and s power 0. So s power 4 term is any constant, s power 3, s square, s power 1, s power 3. So in the first column, in the all the coefficients is sum of the values. So non-zero elements. Okay, zero rakunda. So coefficients ఏదో ఒక value, positive sign or negative sign ఏదైనా రానివ్వండి. So any coefficient will be there, which is the first method. The second method is the first element in any row. The first element in any row of the Ruth table is 0. Emma? So for example, s square value ikkada 0 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి. For example, s square first coefficient is 0. So ఇంకా రూత్ టేబుల్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయడానికి పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందా? నెక్స్ట్ s పవర్ 1 ఏమొస్తుంది? ఇన్ఫినిటీ. నెక్స్ట్ s పవర్ 0 ఏమొస్తుంది? 0. సో ఇన్ ద రూత్ టేబుల్ ఈస్ బ్రేక్ డౌన్. So this difficulty can be overcome by using the second method. ఏమా? సో అందరికి అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో s స్క్వేర్, s పవర్ 1, s పవర్ 0. సో ఇలాగా ఏదైనా ఒక రోలో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ కానీ 0 అయింది అనుకోండి, సో నెక్స్ట్ మనం రూత్ టేబుల్ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయడానికి పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. సో దీస్ డిఫికల్టీ కెన్ బి ఓవర్కమ్ by using the second method. Okay, in the same construction of the Ruth table is same, but in the first in any row first element is equal to 0. So the Ruth table construct cheyadaniki possible avvadu kabatti, so overcome this difficulty by using second method. Okay, so first determine the stability of the system represented by the following characteristic equation. So మీకు క్లియర్ గా అర్థమయ్యేటట్లు చెప్తాను. So what is the transfer function? Transfer function is s power 4 plus 2s power 3 plus 10s square plus 20s plus 5 is equal to 0. In the given transfer function, given characteristic equation, s power 4 plus 2s cube plus 10s square plus 20s plus 5 equal to 0. Determine the stability of the system by using following characteristic equation. So calculate the stable system or unstable system for the given characteristic equation. So first in this characteristic equation, what is highest power? s power 4. Next highest power s power 3. S power 4 is even number. So even number of the equation is equal to s power 4. Next even number enti 10s square plus 5. This is even number system. And the odd number of the system, what is odd number? S power 3. So 2s power 3 plus 20s. So separated even number of the equation, odd numbers of the equation. So highest power into s power 4. So construct the root table s power 4. Next highest power s power 3. Next highest power s square. Next s power 1 and s power 0. Okay. So first, in the even number series equation, s power 4 coefficient enta 1. So 1. Next enta coefficient 10. So note down 10. Next constant entamma 5. So 1, 10, 5. Next odd numbers of the equation, s power 3 coefficient enta 2 and 20. And next ఇంకేం లేదు కాబట్టి 0. So all of you clear? Even numbers of the series and odd numbers of the series 1, 10, 5, 2, 20 and 5. So s square. So first column, this is second column, this is third column. 1, 2 and 3. First column second element నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయమన్నాడు. 2 into 20, 20 minus 1 into 20, 20 by 2. What is the value? 0. Next 2 into 5, 10, 10 minus 0 by 2. So 5, 0 and 5. Next time లేదు కాబట్టి 0. Emma, next construct 2 and 0 is first column, 20 and 5 is second column. So 0 into 20 enta 0 minus 2 into 5 10. Next by 0, 0 into 20 0, 0 minus 10 by 0. So minus 10 by 0 enta infinity. So s power 1 infinity. So next construct the root table is not possible. Construct చేయగలుగుతామమ్మా మనం root table. So it is not possible. So in this s square term, first element is 0. So next construct the root table is not possible. By overcome this difficulty, to follow the simple method. ఇలా ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ 0 వస్తే నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? ఓకే, సో this is equation 1, characteristic equation. Put s is equal to 1 by z in equation 1. Put 1 is equal, s is equal to 1 by z in the given characteristic equation. So మనకి ఇచ్చిన characteristic equation ఇదే కదమ్మా. Put s is equal to 1 by z. So 1 by z whole power 4 plus 2 into 1 by z whole power 3 plus 10 into 1 by z whole square plus 20 into 1 by z, 20 into 1 by z plus 5 is equal to 0. Put s is equal to 1 by z in the given equation, given characteristic equation. So what is highest power in the denominator LCM? Z power 4. 1 by z power 4, 1 by z power 3, 1 by z square, 1 by z. Endukama 1 by 1 whole square enta 1. 1 whole cube 1. So highest power LCM z power 4. Z power 4, Z power 4 cancel. What happened? 1. 2 into Z, Z power 3. So 2 into Z plus 10 in the denominator Z square. Z square, Z square cancel. Remaining Z square, 10 Z square plus 20 Z power 3 plus 5 Z power 4 is equal to 0. So the characteristic equation 5Z power 4 plus 20Z power 3 plus 10Z square plus 2Z plus 1 is equal to 0. Emma? So in the characteristic equation 5Z power 4, 20Z power 3, 10Z square plus 2Z plus 1 is equal to 0. So in this characteristic equation, construct the truth table. Okay, na? So in the last characteristic equation, in the s square term, first element is 0. So overcome this difficulty. So highest power entama z power 4. So z power 4. Next to highest power entama z power 3. So z power 4 is even numbers of the series. So what is z power 4 coefficient? 5. And next to even number series 10. Next 1. Next odd number series 20 and 2 and the 0. Clear? Next construct the z square. So in the first row, first column, 10 to second column, 1 0 third column. First column second element nunchi start cheyali. So 20 into 10 minus 5 into 2. So 5 2 just 10 by 20. What is the value of 20 into 10 minus 10 by 20? So it is 9.5. So note down z square 9.5. Next 20 into 1, 20 into 1 20 minus 5 into 0 0 by 20. What is the value? It is 1. 1. Next, construct the z power 1. 9.5 into 2 minus 20. Entama value? Minus 0.105. 9.5 into 2, 19. 19 minus 20. So minus 1 by 9.5. What is the value? Minus 0.105. And the say construct z power 0. This minus 0.105 into 1 minus 0 by, so the 1. Z power 4 first coefficient is positive. Z power 3 first coefficient is positive, Z square first coefficient is positive, Z power 1 first coefficient is negative, and Z power 0 is positive. There is one sign change. So the given system is unstable system. The given system is unstable system. Okay. So any sign change in the first column elements. So all the coefficients should be in the same sign. The given system is stable system. There is any change in the sign, the given system is unstable system. So the clear all of you? Next problem. By using Routh criterion, determine the stability of representing characteristic equation s power 6 plus 2s power 5 plus s power 4, 2s cube, 3s square, 4s plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. So first, s power 6 is even number of the series. S power 5 is odd numbers of the series. So note down first even numbers of the series. S power 6, odd number of the series 2s power 5, s power 3, s power 1. Okay, so construct the Routh table. 1, 1, 3, 5. 1, 1, 3, 5. Even number series లో ఉన్న కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ అన్ని నోట్ చేయాలి. ఏమున్నాయి ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ లో కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్? 1, s power 4 1, s square 3, s power 0 5. అదే కదమ్మా నోట్ చేసింది 1, 1, 3, 5. నెక్స్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ లో ఉన్న కోఎఫిషియెంట్ 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4. Construct the Routh table. This is first column, second column, third column, fourth column. So the first column second element nunchi start cheyali. 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 2 2 2 minus 2 enta 0 and 3 2 into 3 6 1 into 4 4 6 minus 4 2 2 by 2 is 1. So in the any row first element is 0. Further construct the Routh table is not possible. So ఎందుకు పాసిబుల్ అవ్వట్లేదు? నెక్స్ట్ అన్ని ఇన్ఫినిటీ వచ్చేస్తాయి. So overcome this difficulty to follow the second method. Okay, so ఏం చేయాలి అప్పుడు? Put s is equal to 1 by z in the equation, in the characteristic equation, the given characteristic equation. So what is the characteristic equation? S power 6, so 1 by z whole power 6 plus 2 into 1 by z whole power 5 plus 1 by z whole power 4 plus 2 into 1 by z whole power 3 plus 3 into 1 by z whole square plus 4 into 1 by z plus 5 is equal to 0. ఏమ్మా మనకి ఇచ్చిన ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఏముంది? s power 6 2 s power 5 s power 4 2s power 3, 3s square, 4s plus 5 equal to 0. సో ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం సెకండ్ మెథడ్ లో? మనకి ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ 0 వచ్చేసింది కదా. సో s is equal to 1 by z in the given characteristic equation. So 1 by z whole power 6. So 1 by z power 6 plus 2 into 1 by z power 5 plus 1 by z power 4 plus 2 into 1 by z power 3 plus 3 into 1 by z square plus 4 into 1 by z plus 5 is equal to 0. Take LCM. What is highest LCM? Z power 6. So 1 plus 2z plus z square plus 2z cube plus 3z power 4 plus 4z power 5 plus 5z power 6 is equal to 0. So z power 6 is equal to 0. Next, the characteristic equation 5z power 6 plus 4z power 5 plus 3z power 4 plus 2z power 3 plus z square plus 2z plus 1 is equal to 0. So again construct the root table in this characteristic equation. So find the stable system or unstable system. Okay na? So construct cheddama. So construct the stability in this characteristic equation. So yes, what is even number series and odd number series? So 5 into z power 6, z power 6 is even number series and z power 5 is odd number series. So note down z power 6, z power 5. What is the z power 6 coefficient? 5 and 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0. It's very simple. So ila construct చేసేసి. So after that 4 columns. So first column 5, 4. Second column 3, 2. Third 1, 2. Fourth. Okay. So z power 4. First column second element starts 4. 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12 minus 5 into 2, 10 by 4. What is the value? 12 minus 10, 2 by 4. So 0.5. So 0.5. Next, 4 into 1. 4 minus 4 into 1, 4 minus 5 into 2, 10 by 4 minus 6 by 4. What is the value of 6 by 4? So minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. 5. And the 4 into 1, 4 by 4 is 1. So z power 4 is clear. And next z power 3, next z square, and z power 1, and the z power 0. Okay, next z power 3. So 4 and 0.5 is first column, 2 and minus 1.5 is second column, 2 and 1 is third column. Okay, so construct 4 to 0.5 and minus 1.5. So 0.5 into 2, 1, minus of minus plus, 4 into 1.5 is 6 by 0.7, 0.5. 7 by 0.5. What is the value of 7 by 0.5? It is 14. 0. Next, first column is the same. Construct the root table in third column. 0.5 into 2. What is value? 1 minus 4 3 is 12. Sorry, 4 3 is 4 into 1. What is the value of 4 into 1? 4 by 0.5. What is the value? Minus 3 by 0.5. So minus 6. Okay. Next, construct the root table. S square, z square. So 0.5 minus 1.5. 14 minus 6. Okay. So 0.5, 14. 14 into minus 1.5. What is the value of 14 into minus 1.5? Minus into minus. So 14 into minus 1.5 plus 6 into 0.53 by 14. What is the value? Minus 1.28. Minus 1.28. Okay. Next, 14 into 1 minus 0 by 14, 1. Next, z power 1. Next, calculate the z power 1. Minus into minus plus. 6 into 1.28 minus 14 by minus 1.28. What is the value? 4.93. Next, z power 0, 4.93 into 1 minus 0 by 4.93. So it's 1. It's the value z power 0 is 1. So z power 6 first coefficient is positive. And the z power 5 first coefficient is positive. Z power 4 first coefficient is positive. Z power 3 first coefficient is positive. Z square first coefficient is negative. So plus 2 minus 1 sign change. And z square to z power 1 is one another sign change. There are two sign changes in the given characteristic equation. So the given system is unstable system. The given system is unstable system. So clear, all of you? Mention the comment. Method 3. So method 2 is in any row, first element is 0. So overcome the difficulty. So second method, put S is equal to 1 by Z. And the method 3 is all the coefficients in any row. సో ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ఎస్ పవర్ 1 ఎస్ పవర్ 0 అలా ఏదైనా ఒక రోలో all the elements in any row of the root table is 0. This condition indicates they are symmetrically located in the S plane. Because of this row of zeros, all the elements of the subsequent rows also becomes 0. Okay, so for example, s power 4 s power 3 undanukondi, s power 4 1 1 2, s power 0 is 0 0 0. Next, what happened in the s square? S square is also 0 0 0. What happened in s power 1? 0 0 0. What happened in s power 0? 0 0 0. So in the any row, all the elements is 0. Next, further difficult to construct the root table. Okay, so method 2 is any row first element only 0. In method 3 is all the elements in the root table is 0. So by overcome this difficulty, further go to the method 3. ఓకే, సో మెథడ్ 3లో ఏం చేస్తామంటే, సో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి, క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. డిటర్మైన్ ద స్టెబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ద సిస్టమ్ represented by the following characteristic equation: s power 4 plus 2s cube plus 6s square plus 8s plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so first construct the root table. What is s power 4? S power 4 is even number series. S power 3 is odd number series. So s power 4 and s power 3. S power 4 coefficient is 1. S power 3 coefficient is 2. 1 2. Next 6 8 8 0. ఇలా నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, even number series 1 6 8 1 6 8, odd numbers 2 and 8. Emma, clear? Next, further go to s square. 2 into 6 12 minus 1 into 8 8 by 2. So 4 by 2 entamma 2. So first 2 2 into 8. Next 2 into 8 16 minus 0. 1 into 0 enta 0 by 2. 2 8 jars 60. So 8 2 8 0. Next s power 1. 2 into 8 16 minus 2 into 8 16. So 0. 16 minus 16 0. Next 2 into 0 0. 2 into 0 0. Next 0. S power 1, all the coefficient is 0. So next further go to method 3. ఇలా అన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ 0 వస్తే ఎలా కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ.